Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I made it to the park, and it's absolutely beautiful today, but we're supposed to get a big tropical storm in Southern California, and I think it's gonna start tomorrow. So they're saying to stay off the roads and don't drive to Vegas and be careful out there. Supposed to get a year's worth of rain in one day, which I don't know, ever had that before. They're saying not since 1939, so pretty crazy because you'd never know it today. It looks gorgeous, but yeah, we'll see what we get. You might see this video. I might post it today, or you might see it after the storm hit. But the beaches, I mean, it's gonna wash in all kinds of stuff out there. So we'll see what we find. Dave and I may go out there next week or next weekend, we'll see. But anyways, I'm here this morning and it's beautiful, so let's see what we find. All right, so this one rang up as an 18, and it looks like it's a little heart, or half of a heart. Yeah, it's a best friend heart charm. Very cool. An 18, I'm not sure if it's anything precious metal or anything, but yeah, someone lost their half of a best friend's heart. All right, so this one, 8, 9, 9, 10. Let's see if I can find it. That tiny little. All right, so that 8, 9 was this tiny little piece of probably a necklace chain, maybe. Can't see it real well out here, but yeah, there it is. Very cool. Let's see, 10, 11. All right, so that 10, 11 is this ball of, I don't know what it is. I'll have to clean it up, see if I can. It just looks like a rock. It's interesting. All right, we will check it out in the wrap-up. All right. All right, have the coin here, maybe a penny. Yep, there it is. There's our penny. All right, let's see what else we can find. So under the swing here, I think we have another penny. Oh, there it is. Nice shiny one. All right, so this one rang up as a 16, and I had to dig around because it's blending in here. Not sure what it is. Thought it was an earring, but I think it's actually maybe a pendant of some kind. I'm gonna have to clean it up. It's got a design on it, but I can't tell out here. All right, I'm gonna clean it up and check it out in the wrap-up. All right, so I'm checking out under these trees here. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. Could be this coin. Yeah, I think it's a beat up old penny. Let's see if anything else. Yep, that was it. All right, continue on here. $12.13, probably a pull tab, but let's see. It's under there. Could be that junk pencil eraser. There it is, and there's the eraser. All right, put it in the bag. And let's keep going out here on this beautiful morning. All right, we have a solid 14, maybe a nickel. That was just that piece of junk. That was our 14. Hey everyone, I'm here to do the wrap up, and Sage and Keisha are joining as usual. And wasn't out there too long, just found a bunch of junk, pencil and eraser and pull tab, just a little bit of junk. And I'm not sure what this is. It's just a big blob of, maybe there's something inside of it, but it did ring up. I think that was a 16 or an 18, I'm not sure. But I still have no idea what it is. And found 4 pennies. And then, oops, got dirt all over. Found this little charm. It's all beat up. It's been out there a while. Looks like it's got a kitty cat and some stars. It was probably really cute. And found this best friend's pendant. Half of it anyway. Be frais. So I got the one part of it. And all right, and those are my finds from today from the hunt before the storm, which is supposed to start. It's actually, the sun is going in, and it's getting cloudy here. And the girls are not gonna like it because they're gonna be stuck inside. But anyways, hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. Stay safe out there. And as always, thanks for watching.